Macele, she was not comfortable to be at family trip with Musamseleku's wives. When they are at family trip, Musamseleku, he can book rooms for his wives, for Makumalo, Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Macele. Musamseleku, he can book his room on the side. At night, Musamseleku, he can say he is going to sleep with Mangwabe, tomorrow Mayeni, tomorrow Makumalo, Macele. That's why Macele, she was not comfortable to see Musamseleku with another wife. They are going to sleep together to another room. That's why Macele, she doesn't stay in Muzumbe. Musamseleku told Macele that he want to have Istanbul. Macele says it's better to shift because she is not comfortable to see Musamseleku with another wife. They are staying together. Musamseleku is coming from Mangwabe's house, is coming from Mayeni's house. That's why Macele, she wants to spend time together to give Musamseleku time. Macele doesn't say Musamseleku can't have Istanbul, but she was not comfortable to see Musamseleku. They are coming from the room with Mayeni. When they have got a family trip, Musamseleku, he is with his wives, but Mayeni, Mangwabe, Makumalo, they don't have a problem. Last time Musamseleku was with Mangwabe, he says he is going to sleep with Mangwabe at his room. Mayeni doesn't have a problem because Mayeni can have a problem to see her husband with another wife, but Mayeni and Makumalo, they are okay with that, and they have got content. They are used that Musamseleku have got many wives, but Macele, she is not okay. That's why you see on season 9 they are at family trip, at therapy with his wives. Musamseleku book a room for Mangwabe, Makumalo, and Mayeni, but with Macele they booked the same room. Musamseleku was sleeping with Macele. Since that trip, they are spending time together. Musamseleku was spending more time with Macele. Makumalo, Mayeni, Mangwabe, because Istimela, same Zumbe, they are spending time together. It's like maybe Macele, she is like a queen or what, I don't understand. Those people, they are meeting maybe when there is something they want to discuss, a serious conversation. We saw it on season 9. Musamseleku was always with Macele. Macele was like a handbag. When they are together at their hotel room, they are together. Musamseleku book a room with Macele. But when he says he is going to sleep with Mangwabe or Mayeni, Macele, she is not okay on that. I don't understand. Or Macele, sometimes she doesn't accept that her husband have Istanbul. I don't understand because maybe she is the first wife. You know that when you are the first wife, you can get more affected than other wives, because other wives, Makumalo, Mangwabe, and Mayeni, they don't have a problem. We see it on season 7. Musamseleku was with Mangwabe, was complaining about Mangwabe to Mayeni and Makumalo. Mayeni says, you say you are going to the room together. What happened now, Mangwabe? You didn't save your husband because it's your duty. What? They don't have a problem, Makumalo, Mayeni, and Mangwabe. You know those people, guys, they can say today is Mangwabe's duty, tomorrow it's Makumalo's duty, and Musamseleku can take Mangwabe in front of them. They don't have a problem, but he can't do it in front of Macele. Maybe he was doing it on season 1 in front of Macele, maybe behind the cameras. You understand that he is going to sleep with Mangwabe, but Musamseleku respect Macele's decision. He saw that Macele, she is not comfortable in such situation that her husband is going to sleep to another room with another wife. She is not comfortable. So Musamseleku, that's why he respect Macele's decision. That's why you saw them on season 9, they are together. But it's good to spend time because Macele doesn't care about if Musamseleku sleep with her than Mangwabe, Makumalo, and Mayeni. Those people, they enjoy to spend time alone. Musamseleku knows his wives. He knows that 3 wives, Mangwabe, Makumalo, and Mayeni, they enjoy to spend time together. than to be with him. Macele, she is not comfortable to spend time with them. That's why Musamseleku was always with Macele.